welcome to Trilogy Tech Talk, brought to you by PMC. I'm here hanging out with Jan Manick, who is part of One Stop Systems. Jan, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good, thank you. So, One Stop Systems, congratulations on creating up to 500 terabytes FSA in 2OU rack form.
You got it all out. Thank
Got
you.
it. Great. I got it. But yeah, congratulations. So, how did you guys all make that possible?
Yeah, so we built a 2OU expansion system, which complies with the Open Compute platform, and it supports up to 63 carrier cards that can hold little M.2 modules. So yeah, up to 500 terabytes you can get to if you use the correct M.2 module.
Great. And let's talk about the design of the box and how power is circulated throughout the whole system.
Yeah, sure. So Open Compute is a little bit different than the standard 19-inch rack mount servers in the sense that those expansion systems have the power supplies in them. Open Compute's a little different. They power the rack with like these massive bus bar clips that come up the back of the chassis, and then we cable in to those and draw the power, draw the DC power from it. So it's a little bit of a different expansion system, but needed to be compliant for Open Compute.
All right. And why should consumers be interested in one-stop systems?
Well, we are one of the only companies that can provide the density of up to 500 terabytes or 64 PCI Express slots. We're at full Gen 3, and we use PCI Express as the interconnect as opposed to like SAS or InfiniBand or something like that, and it's a lower latency, higher performing bus, and it's actually less expensive.
Cost effective.
Yes, it is very cost effective. That's why we like it.
And how are you guys making an impact in the Flash Memory Summit industry?
Yeah, so the systems that we're showing here today are the densest systems on the floor. There's nobody else doing the densities that we're doing, so that's really what our big play is in the marketplace. Everybody offers different types of NAND flash and PCIe or NVMe cards, but we provide the chassis that can support more cards than anybody else.
All right, so Jan, how are you guys stepping up your game or separating yourselves from your competitors?
Yeah, really it's two ways. We have the densest systems that are on the show floor. So as far as providing density and rack space, that's really our number one, call it separator. And number two is using PCI Express as the interconnect. There's not a lot of companies that use PCI Express as the interconnect, and because it's lower or higher performing and lower cost, it's a better bus for us to be using.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us and showing everybody what you guys are all about. So good luck with the rest of the show.
Really appreciate you stopping by.
Yes, of course. Thanks.